The Alpine A290 is a compact electric car that delivers hot hatch excitement. It's more engaging than the Abarth 500e or Mini Cooper electric sport, though not as thrilling as petrol hot hatches. It's practical for daily use with a comfortable ride. The A290 features a single electric motor with either 178 or 217 brake horsepower. The GTS variant accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. It handles well through tight bends, though it's heavier than petrol rivals. Inside, the A290 offers a sporty feel with low seating and supportive seats. It includes physical air conditioning controls and a 10.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google-based software. Rear visibility is limited, but parking sensors and a rear-view camera help. Front passengers enjoy ample space, but rear seating is tight for taller adults. The boot offers 326 liters of space, enough for shopping or luggage. Rear seats fold in a 60/40th split for additional cargo room when needed. Pricing is expected to be competitive with electric rivals. The A290 includes standard features like adaptive cruise control and heated seats. It offers a 3-year warranty and includes safety features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist.